Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Candy Crush Saga Level 270. Your main goal is to clear all the jelly squares from the board. You also need to reach a target score of 55,000 points. Remember, you have a limit of 50 moves to achieve both objectives, so planning is key to success. To conquer this level, mastering special candy combinations is crucial. Aim to create striped candies, wrapped candies, and especially color bombs. Combining a striped candy with a wrapped candy, or even two wrapped candies, can clear large sections. A color bomb combined with a striped candy is incredibly powerful for clearing many jellies. Many players find the jelly in the corners to be the most challenging. Make these a priority from the start. Also, focus your moves on the middle columns of the board. This strategy often creates more cascades and opportunities for special candies, helping you clear more jelly with fewer moves. Vertical striped candies are excellent for clearing entire columns. Always look for the best possible move, not just the obvious one. Planning 2 or 3 moves ahead can significantly improve your chances. Sometimes, the initial board setup isn't ideal. Don't hesitate to restart if you feel you have a poor starting position. Patience and strategic thinking will lead you to victory on this challenging level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.